the machine shoulder press. Obviously, each machine, unless identical, brand, everything, they'll all be different in some way. Like this is a panatta shoulder press, which this was the first time I've been in a gym that had one. So obviously you've got like a thing you kick down to bring the handles up slightly, so you start in a less vulnerable range of motion. So obviously kick that down to bring them up a bit. I set myself up, so to set myself up I bring my scapular shoulder blades back, retract them, push them down, create a strong base to press from. What a frame to pause on. And obviously this one converges, which means it comes together into the middle. Not every shoulder press will do this. But yeah, I'm not going to go much lower than parallel. So there I am a tiny bit, but obviously when you're moving, it's obviously a load I'm just using to show the form. But when you use a load where it's your working set, you do want to be pretty mindful with the range of motion you use, because if you come too low, there's going to be like you're not going to be on the muscle anymore. You're going to be putting that tension onto like tendons, joints, ligaments, things you obviously don't want to be taking tension. So that's about the limit, just below parallel, and obviously I bring them back up to, oh, I was being an idiot, yeah, so I can let them down safely without having to go into that horrible range of motion. When you're at the top, just a little pause at the top, just to leave it in that shortened range for just a second. Obviously when it's fully locked out, like there's not massive amounts of tension on the muscle because joints are locked. But I'm kind of going a bit quick here, but ideally you'd want the eccentric, the lowering phase, to be a bit slower than I'm showing here, and then the concentric is going to be it's going to be quicker than the eccentric.